Hello, mic test. Final na jud ni, wala na mo disturbo. Hapit na jud alas 10. Okay, here we go. I guess. I like your eyes, you looked away when you pretended to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. You were the more with her, I knew and I was scared. I let myself fall deeper, but I was prepared. I liked your shirt, the one I gave you, can't forget how you smell. But now on different shoulders hang the jacket I used to wear. I loved you for so long, sometimes it's hard to bear. But after all this time, I wish you well from here. Loved you every minute, every second. Loved you even if it was for a moment. Always and forever can wait for that time, because you were not the one. I know that now. In a world still full of life, I see color in a bit of time, 'cause we deserve better. Always and forever when the right one comes, because part of loving you is letting go. Part of loving you was letting